The kickstand on this CB900 is completely covered in surface rust and the rubber tip has been ripped off. I gave it a good clean and let it sit in the evaporust tank overnight. After a good rinse off in some degreaser and in some water, I'm giving it a good coat of rust barrier chassis paint. This stuff is pretty good. It takes 3 or 4 days to dry, but after solid 4 coats, I think the rubberized coating is going to hold up pretty well on the kickstand. Looks way better with the gloss black and the brand new rubber end.